CakeFlix offer access to over 1,300 cake decorating tutorials from over 100 of the world's top cake decorating artists. As a CakeFlix member, you also get access to over 200 cake demos on the CakeFlix TV app, which is all part of the 7-day free trial. We've been adding a new feature-length tutorial to CakeFlix every single week now for very nearly 10 years. So CakeFlix is something for everyone, whether it's the complete basics. As a beginner, you might be interested in sugar models, or sugar flowers, or sculpted cakes, or wedding cakes, or whatever your speciality is, there's going to be something there on CakeFlix for you. So we want to show you what we have on offer before you have to part with any money. So that's why we've got a 7-day free trial on at the moment. So please come on board, let us show you what we've got, and we hope you then become part of the CakeFlix family.